day everyone. Today's vlog is all about honing our communication skills by mastering preposition and transition words. Let's kick things off with prepositions. These little words are like GPS for our sentence, guiding us through relationships in space and time. Whether it's in, on, or at, choosing the right at preposition ensure our message lands exactly where it should. Now, onto transition words. Think of them as the smooth operators of our sentence, seamlessly connecting ideas and guiding our audience through our narrative, whether it's however, meanwhile, or therefore. These words keep our communication flowing like a river. So the next time you're crafting on email, giving a presentation, or just chatting with friends, remember the power of prepositions and transition words. They are secret sauce to the communication success. Catch you in the next vlog.